Another dua we can make, Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afiyah fiddunya wal akhirah. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afwa wal afiyah fi dini wa dunyaya wa ahli wa mali. That, O Allah, I seek your protection in this world and the next. O Allah, I seek your forgiveness and your protection in my religion, in my worldly affairs, in my family, and in my wealth. Another dua we can make, Allahumma ghfirli, warhamni, warzuqni, that, O Allah, forgive me, have mercy on me, and provide me, meaning give me sustenance. Allahumma aslih li dini, O Allah, set right for me my religion, alladhi huwa ismatu amri, which is the safeguard of my affairs, because if your religion is good, then everything else is good. وَأَصْلِحْ لِي دُنْيَايَ الَّتِي فِيهَا مَعَاشِي, and set right for me the affairs of my world wherein is my living. And He make my worldly affairs right for me because I'm here right now. This is where I am right now. وَأَصْلِحْ لِي آخِرَتِي الَّتِي فِيهَا مَعَادِي, and set right for me my hereafter on which depends my afterlife, my eternity. وَجَعَلِ الْحَيَاةَ زِيَادَةً لِي فِي كُلِّ خَيْرٍ, and make my life a source of abundance in every good deed. Yani, make my life such that I only increase in good deeds, in goodness. وَجَعَلِ الْمَوْتَ رَاحَةً لِي مِنْ كُلِّ شَرٍ, and make my death a source of comfort for me against every evil. Yani, make my death a source of comfort for me so that I am protected from every kind of evil. Another dua we can make, and this is slightly long, but this is also from the Sunnah. Allahumma inni as'aluka khair al-mas'ala wa khair al-du'a. That, O Allah, I ask you for the best thing that I can ask for. And sometimes we don't even know what to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for. So you're saying, Allahumma inni as'aluka khair al-mas'ala wa khair al-du'a, the best dua, wa khair al-najah, success, wa khair al-amal, the best work, the best deeds, wa khair al-thawab, the best reward, wa khair al-hayat, the best life, wa khair al-mamat, the best death, wa thabbitni, and make me firm, wa thaqqil mawazini, make my scales on the day of judgment heavy, wa haqqiq imani, and strengthen my faith, warfa' darajati, and raise my ranks, وتقبل صلاتي, and accept my prayers, واغفر خطيئتي, and forgive my sins, وأسألك الدرجات العلى من الجنة, and I ask you for the highest levels of paradise. Allahumma inni as'aluka fawatih al-khair. O Allah, I ask you for the keys of goodness, meaning whatever thing I begin, let that be good. وَخَوَاتِمَهُ, and also good endings. Anything I begin, let me begin it in a good way, and let me accomplish it, let me end it in a good way. وَجَوَامِعَهُ وَأَوَّلَهُ وَظَاهِرَهُ وَبَاطِنَهُ, and good in external, in internal matters. وَالدَّرَجَاتِ الْعُلَى مِنَ الْجَنَّةِ Ameen. And I ask you for the highest ranks of paradise. Ameen. Allahumma inni as'aluka khayra ma ati, wa khayra ma af'al, wa khayra ma a'mal, wa khayra ma batan, wa khayra ma dhahar, wa ad-darajat al-ula min al-jannati. Ameen. O Allah, I ask you for the good things that I can do. Can He give me the ability to do good things, to say good things, to do good works, internally, externally, and I ask you for the highest ranks of paradise. Allahumma inni as'aluka an tarfa'a dhikri. O Allah, I ask you that you raise my mention, and this is that you mention me before your angels. And that can only be when Allah is pleased with His slave, when Allah loves His slave. I ask you, وَتَضَعَ وِزْرِي, that you put down my burden, وَتُصْلِحَ أَمْرِي, and you rectify my affair, وَتُطَهِّرَ قَلْبِي, and you cleanse my heart, وَتُحَصِّنَ فَرْجِي, and you guard my private part, meaning protect me from committing sin. وَتُنَوِّرَ قَلْبِي, Ya Allah, I ask you that you put light in my heart, وَتَغْفِرَ لِي ذَنْبِي, and that you forgive my sins. وَأَسْأَلُكَ الدَّرَجَاتِ الْعُلَى مِنَ الْجَنَّةِ Ameen. I ask you for the highest levels of paradise. Ameen. Allahumma inni as'aluka an tubarika fi nafsi. O Allah, I ask you that you put barakah in my being, and you bless my entire being. وفي سمعي, bless my hearing. وفي بصري, bless my vision. وفي روحي, bless my ruh. وفي خلقي, bless my physical body. وفي خلقي, and also bless my character. وفي أهلي, bless my family. وفي محياي, bless my life. وفي مماتي, bless my death. وفي عملي, bless my deeds. فتقبل حسناتي. And then يا رب, accept my good deeds. وأسألك الدرجات العلى من الجنة. And I ask you for the highest ranks of paradise. Ameen. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.